You may have heard the saying, hide from the wind and run from the water. And that water and electricity don't mix. It's true, floodwater is very dangerous. There are some smart steps you can take to prepare for the possibility of flooding on your property. If your home or business is at risk of flooding, before you leave, please remember to turn off your power at the circuit breaker panel or your fuse box. First, be sure your hands are dry and that you're standing on a dry surface. Turning off your circuit breaker before water intrusion, especially saltwater intrusion, can help reduce or prevent damage and dangers on your property. For example, wiring that's exposed to salt water can catch fire, and water can conduct electricity, increasing the risk of electrocution. Unplugging electrical equipment and small appliances before or during a power outage helps protect those items from potential damage if there's a power surge when electricity is restored. As long as your corded electronics and appliances are dry, it's good to unplug them. For more safety tips and information, please visit us at tampaelectric.com/storm center. Stay safe.